Hello, this is a short introduction to how we use the platform Google Plus on the Open Networked Learning course. You may not have used Google Plus before, but we could say briefly that Google Plus is in a way Google's answer to Facebook, though it hasn't been quite as successful. But it's a very good platform for organizing groups, communities, and having discussions. And in Open Networked Learning, we'll be using it for our community discussions, for posting notices, for the work you do in your PBL groups, and so on. So here's a little overview of what's going to happen. On our Open Networked Learning website, which you can see here, we will soon be having a link to the Google Plus platform, the Google Plus community. There will be a link in the right column here. We don't have it yet because it isn't open yet, but when you see this film, it will be. So you just click to go towards the Google Plus group. You can also find Google Plus if you log into Google. If you just go to your main Google search page and you click up here on this icon, as long as you've logged in first, log in first, there's me. Click on these dots here and you get the various Google services. Here's Google Plus, you click there, and assuming you're logged into Google, you will come to your home page on Google Plus with posts from friends and so on. However, we are interested only in communities, and here is our ONL181 community, and here we are. At the moment there's not much in this community. It will fill up very, very soon when the course starts. At the moment it's rather empty. When I come in here, I can see that there is already a post welcoming me to the community, and it encourages me to introduce myself and say hello to everyone else, and post a message. To post a message, I see here, what do you want to share? I just click, and here I can write something. So I can write a lot more. If I want to, I can click and I can add photos from my computer. I can add a link to a website. I can even create a poll, that is questions with choices, and you can investigate that yourself. Or I could even tag it with my location if that is interesting. So I write my message and I click post. Now, you can't post anything on this course without deciding what the post is about. We call this tagging, and you tag it with the appropriate category. We'll have a look at them in a minute, but at the moment we can say that this is part of getting started, and when I click on that, there's my message, and if I wrote anything else it would be there as well. If I regret this message, I can go to this menu and I can delete it. I can also edit it and other things. Now I said that we tagged every message because over here in this column you can see you can choose to view all posts if you click that one. That means every single message on the course will be posted on this wall, and it will be absolutely enormous. There will be hundreds and hundreds of posts. You might want to only look at Helpline. Helpline is at the moment empty because this is the category where you can ask for help. There's something doesn't work, a link doesn't work, you found something wrong, you don't understand something. Write a message in the community and tag it Helpline, and we will reply as soon as we can. If we go to the category Getting Started, there we are. There's my welcome. There's my message and there's the welcome message. So these are 2 posts already in getting started. Then for the different weeks or the different parts of the course, we have tags for the connecting part, for topic 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And as you go through the course, if you only want to see material on topic 1, click there and you'll see it. Otherwise, click on all posts and you'll see everything that has happened so far. Strangely, my post seems to have disappeared, but I can't explain that at the moment. Another part of this that will be very useful for you, it says About Community. If you click there, it will expand, and please do so. This is a link back to the ONL course website, but we'll be adding other useful links to this menu as when the course starts. And that's a place to find the rest of the course. It will lead you, for example, to the Google Drive folder. It might lead you to various other resources for meetings and so on. So please look under that heading About Community. If I see a post that I think was very nice, like this one, I can add a comment. And I just click here and say, here I just write post, and I don't need to categorize it because I'm putting it under this post, which is part of the Getting Started section. So I write great to be part of this course, and then other people can comment here as well. So here you start a discussion. When you add a comment, you can add a photo, you can add a link. So add your photo here and upload it, add a link here, and it'll provide a link in the text. So commenting is very important. Please comment on your colleagues, what they've written, at least say they've done a good job. But even better if you can make constructive criticism or follow-up questions. Okay. And that really is all you need to know at the moment, except for one little thing, one more thing. You know in Facebook, when you like something, you put a thumbs up. In Google+, if you see a comment you like, it says plus. So you just click that +1, now it's marked, and basically I've given that the thumbs up. I've liked that. Though of course normally you would not like yourself. But other people can do that. You can also write a reply to that comment. It works very much like in Facebook. Okay, so that's what you need to know to get started. That's all for now. Thank you.